Hello, and welcome back to the English Conversation Podcast. I'm Sarah, and with me today is Daniel.
Hi, everyone. In this episode, we'll help you learn how to have shopping conversations in English, whether you're looking for groceries, buying clothes, or exploring a new store for the first time.
We know that shopping is a big part of everyday life. When you can speak confidently in shops, supermarkets, and malls, you'll feel much more comfortable wherever you go.
That's true, Sarah. We'll guide you through common shopping vocabulary, helpful phrases to ask for help or find what you need, ways to talk about prices and discounts, and even how to return or exchange items politely.
And as always, we'll have fun practice dialogues and tips so you can speak naturally and improve your listening and speaking skills.
We really appreciate everyone who watches our videos. If you find our lessons useful, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends or family who also want to improve their English. It means a lot to us and helps grow our learning community. Now, let's dive in and make shopping in English stress-free, easy, and even enjoyable.
Let's start with some important shopping vocabulary. Using the right words will help you ask questions and understand answers when you're out shopping.
First, let's talk about where you shop. Common places include store, supermarket, market, mall, boutique, pharmacy, and department store.
Each place has its own types of products. For example, supermarkets are great for food and groceries, while boutiques usually sell clothes and accessories. Pharmacies are for medicine and health products.
Now, let's go over some common items people shop for. Clothes, shoes, gifts, electronics, toys, and books.
You'll also need some useful words for everyday shopping. Price, receipt, discount, sale, size, color, fitting room, cashier.
Let's hear some examples. You might ask, "What's the price of this shirt?" Or, "Is this on sale?" If you want to try something, you can ask, "Where is the fitting room?" After you pay, you usually get a receipt from the cashier.
Don't forget, knowing these words will make your shopping experience in English much easier. Listen and repeat them with us as we say them slowly.
Ready? Price, sale, discount, receipt, cashier, department store.
Practice makes perfect. And the more familiar you are with these words, the smoother your conversations will be.
Now that you know some useful shopping vocabulary, let's practice asking for help and making requests. This is key when you need something or have questions in a store.
Exactly. If you need assistance, you can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" This is polite and starts the conversation smoothly.
When you're looking for something specific, try saying, "I'm looking for," followed by the item or category, like shoes or dairy products.
If you want to see different options, ask, "Do you have this in another size?" Or, do you have this in a different color?
Sometimes you may want to know if an item is available. You can say, "Is this still available?" Or, "Do you have more of this?"
Here's a short role play to show how this works in a store.
"Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a blue jacket. Do you have this in medium size?"
Let me check for you. Yes, we have a medium. Would you like to try it on?
"Yes, please. Thank you."
That's a great example of polite and clear conversation when asking for help.
Remember, using these simple phrases will make shopping easier and more enjoyable in English.
After you find something you like, you may want to try it on or ask more about it. Let's go over useful phrases for this part of shopping.
If you want to try clothes, you can ask, "Can I try this on?" This is the polite way to check if the fitting rooms are available.
To find the fitting room, you can say, "Where are the fitting rooms?" Or, "Could you show me the fitting room?"
When you try something and want to talk about how it fits, use phrases like, "It fits well." "It's too tight." "It's too loose." "I like the color, but it's a bit small."
If you're not sure about the product, you can say, "I'll think about it," or "I need to check other options."
Here's a sample conversation.
"Can I try this jacket on?"
"Sure, the fitting rooms are over there."
"This jacket fits well, but I'm not sure about the size. Do you have a bigger one?"
"Let me check for you." "Yes, we have a larger size if you want to try it."
Thank you.
That's how you handle trying on and choosing products politely and clearly.
Keep practicing these phrases so you feel confident during your shopping trips.
Once you've chosen what you want to buy, it's time to pay. Let's go over common phrases related to payment and receipts.
If you want to know how to pay, you can ask, "Can I pay by card?" Or, "Do you accept cash?"
Nowadays, many stores also accept mobile payments. So you can ask, "Do you accept mobile payments?" Or, "Can I pay with my phone?"
When it's time to pay, the cashier might say, "That will be $20.50, please."
You can respond with, "Here you go," when handing over cash or card.
After payment, it's common to ask for a receipt. You can say, "Can I have a receipt, please?"
A receipt is important if you want to return or exchange the item later.
Here's an example payment dialogue to practice.
"Can I pay by card?"
Yes, of course. Please swipe or insert your card here.
"Thank you. Can I have a receipt, please?"
Sure, here it is.
"Thanks very much."
Great. Using these phrases will help your payment go smoothly and politely.
Keep practicing so you feel ready next time you're at the checkout.
Sometimes after shopping, you may need to return or exchange something. Let's go over how to handle that politely in English.
If you want to return something, you can say, "I'd like to return this item," or "Can I return this?"
And if you want a different size or color, you say, "Can I exchange this for a different size?" Or, Do you have this in another color?
Stores often have a return policy. You can ask, "What is your return policy?" Or, "How long do I have to return items?"
Remember, it's important to have your receipt when returning or exchanging. You might say, I have the receipt here.
Here's a sample conversation for returning and exchanging items.
Hello, I'd like to return this shirt. It's too small for me.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Would you like to exchange it for a bigger size?
Yes, please. Do you have a medium?
Let me check for you. Yes, we have medium sizes available.
Thank you.
That's how you politely return and exchange items with ease.
Practice these phrases so you feel confident if you need to return or exchange something in English. Shopping isn't just about buying things. It's also a great chance to practice small talk and share your experiences.
Absolutely. A simple compliment or friendly comment can make the shopping experience more enjoyable and personal.
For example, you can say, This shop is really nice, or I like the atmosphere here.
If you want to praise the service, try saying, "The staff are very helpful and friendly," or "You always have great recommendations."
You can also share your shopping habits or experiences, like, I always find good deals here, or I like shopping here because the prices are fair.
Here's a short example of small talk while shopping.
This store has a lovely selection of clothes.
Yes, and the staff are always so friendly. I like coming here.
I agree. Plus, the prices are reasonable, which is important.
Do you shop here often?
Yes, I try to come at least once a week.
Great way to practice small talk and build relationships while shopping.
Listeners, try using these phrases next time you're shopping. Small talk is a wonderful way to improve your English naturally.
Before we wrap up, let's talk about some important cultural notes and shopping etiquette when shopping in English-speaking countries.
That's right. Being aware of local customs makes shopping more pleasant and helps you fit in.
For example, it's polite to greet shop assistants when you enter a store by saying hello or good morning.
Also, make sure to say please when asking for help and thank you after you receive assistance.
When waiting to pay or get help, always stand in line and wait your turn. Cutting in line is considered rude.
If you want to ask for different sizes or colors, do so politely and patiently. Remember, the staff are there to help.
In many shops, it's common to keep your shopping bags with you until you pay. Don't open or start using purchased items before checkout.
And tipping is usually not expected in retail stores, but you might tip if you receive exceptional service, like personal shopping assistance.
Lastly, when shopping online or in a store, always check the return policy. It helps avoid surprises later.
These small cultural tips will make your shopping experience smoother and more enjoyable in English-speaking countries. We've covered a lot today about shopping conversations, so let's quickly review the key points.
We started with shopping vocabulary, including places like store, supermarket, and department store, and important words like price, discount, and fitting room.
We then practiced asking for help with phrases like, Excuse me, can you help me? And making requests like, Do you have this in another size?
We also learned how to say things when trying on items, such as, "It fits well," "It's too tight," and "Can I try this on?"
Don't forget payment phrases like, "Can I pay by card?" and asking for a receipt with, "Can I have a receipt, please?"
And we went through returning and exchanging items politely, using phrases like, "I'd like to return this," and "Do you have this in a different color?"
We also talked about small talk and customer experiences, such as, "This shop is very nice," and "The staff are very helpful."
Finally, we covered important cultural notes and shopping etiquette, like saying, "Please," "Thank you," waiting your turn in line, and respecting staff.
Now it's your turn to practice. Imagine you're shopping for a jacket or shoes. Use phrases like, "Can you help me?" or "Where is the fitting room?"
Try having a conversation with a friend or even in front of the mirror. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Remember, using these phrases in real situations is the best way to improve.
Keep practicing, and you'll be a shopping conversation pro in no time.
That's all for today's episode on English shopping conversations. We hope you found it helpful and that you feel more confident to shop in English.
Remember, shopping is a great way to practice real-life English. Don't be afraid to use the vocabulary and phrases we shared.
If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family who want to improve their English too.
We love hearing from you, so please leave your comments or stories about shopping in English. What's your favorite shop? Or have you had an interesting shopping experience?
Thanks for listening and practicing with us today. Stay tuned for more episodes to help you speak English confidently in everyday situations.
This is Daniel
And Sarah,
saying goodbye and happy shopping.